Welcome to Clear Solutions, fun, quality, and profit.
Hi, I'm Kathy Smart, Production Manager here at Clear Solutions in Hinsdale. Clear Solutions has a beautiful line of acrylic displays, large and small. We also have a very strong line of plywood displays. It used to be that we were mostly showcasing cards and books in libraries and museums, but now it can be just about anything anybody is selling. If they need a display, we can make it for them.
Ray Unitas, I'm a supervisor for Clear Solutions. When I first started, I literally spent 2 or 3 days just drilling holes with a hand drill press and moved my way on up through to supervisor and got many automated machines in the meantime, and now most of the machines are doing the drilling for us. We're doing programming, CNC stuff, CAD/CAM.
I'm Roger Wilkin, co-owner of Clear Solutions in Hinsdale, New Hampshire. The company was established in 1969, started in a hen house behind an old hunting lodge in Bethesda, Maryland, then moved to a barn in Guilford, Vermont, and in 1993 moved here to a modern manufacturing facility in Hinsdale, New Hampshire. At the time we built here, which was 27 years ago, and this land was available, the land was very reasonable. We were able to put up a building on time, on budget, actually ahead of time, a little bit under budget. To almost have tossed the building in the air and have it come down just right. We had very little site work to do. Well, we run machines that require 3-phase. It's more robust power than your typical residential, and it's available.
I'm Rose Dietz. I'm bookkeeper, human resource person here at Clear Solutions. Most of our client base is done here in the U.S. We also include Alaska and Hawaii. We also are known internationally. Our employees, we have about 25. They're wonderful people. We're like a large family here. A third of those probably come from Hinsdale itself. The others come from outside the direct community.
The company has evolved over the years through products and personnel. We have started in as an ESOP several years ago. That's Employee Stock Ownership Plan. And the employees now own half of the company, shortly to own all of it.
It's become really important with the transition on the ESOP. Those of us that have been here for even that 10 to 22 year period, we're all feeling the importance of that with Roger handing over the ownership of the company.
Having Roger turn it over to us was awesome. I mean, eventually we will all be part of this. It should benefit, hopefully, people in the future.
And that's why Hinsdale works for our business.